Welcome to Kitchenesia, where we explore beautiful kitchen designs that inspire your culinary space. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of French country kitchens with stunning floral tiles and warm neutral tones. Get ready to discover how this L-shaped layout captures timeless elegance and cozy charm that'll transform your cooking area. This airy French country kitchen invites warmth with its sunlit floral tiles and soft beige cabinetry. The rustic wooden beams and natural stone counters create a cozy atmosphere, making it the perfect spot for leisurely mornings and comforting meals with a touch of timeless charm. Soft pastel hues and vintage floral tiles blend effortlessly in this charming L-shaped kitchen. Earthy wooden accents and warmly glowing copper pots add character, while open shelves display a curated collection of rustic pottery, making the space feel inviting and effortlessly elegant for everyday country living. Basking in natural light, this kitchen radiates cozy vibes with its detailed floral tile backsplash and creamy taupe cabinets. The textured wooden accents and delicate pottery create a welcoming space ideal for unwinding and savoring slow moments in a beautifully rustic French country-style ambience. A rustic sanctuary of faded rose tiles and farmhouse cabinets, this kitchen exudes authentic warmth. The natural oak countertops and softened lighting highlight the artistry of floral details and textured surfaces, creating an inviting space for heartfelt conversations and soulful cooking in French countryside tradition. Vintage floral patterns take center stage against warm, neutral walls in this L-shaped kitchen. The farmhouse sink and distressed cabinetry complement the authentic terracotta floors, crafting a serene, lived-in feel where timeless textures and muted tones inspire comfort and culinary creativity. Sunshine floods this kitchen with delicate blue and pink floral tiles, enhancing its soft vanilla cabinetry. The woven baskets and clay dishes bring natural textures, making it an inviting corner where simplicity meets elegance in classic French country style, perfect for morning coffee or quiet afternoons. Timeless and beautifully rustic, this kitchen features warm ochre tones and soft floral mosaics behind the stove. The natural wood shelves stocked with fresh produce and pottery imbue the space with an earthy charm, resonating with the peace and simplicity of the countryside lifestyle. With creamy taupe walls and lively floral tile accents, this kitchen blends practical charm with elegance. The golden hardwood floors and vintage glass jars on open shelves bring a gentle warmth to the room, making it a soothing retreat for cooking and gathering amidst French rural beauty. The expansive space welcomes with apricot tones and a broad floral tile backsplash. Antique brass handles and oak shelving hold rustic essentials while sunlight dances through lace curtains, cultivating a soft glow that fills the kitchen with gentle country authenticity and heartfelt comfort. Subtle daisy and vine motifs enhance the muted tan cabinetry and sand-colored stone counters here. Warm sunlight highlights woven baskets and herb pots, creating a serene atmosphere where the delicate blend of floral charm and vintage simplicity invites peaceful, joyful living. Shaded in bone and biscuit, this charming kitchen boasts wildflower mosaic tiles and weathered wood floors. The rustic plate racks and terracotta jugs evoke a cozy, nostalgic feel, perfect for those who cherish the inviting aura of a traditional French country kitchen full of character. Ivory and caramel hues soften this spacious kitchen, where ornate floral tiles frame the creamy ceramic sink. Vintage copper utensils and botanical prints create a nostalgic setting, while the sunlit open pantry adds a touch of practical elegance that warms the heart through every detail. Sand-colored cabinets and floral tile borders frame this welcoming kitchen space. Brass fixtures and potted herbs on the sill add earthy textures, crafting a peaceful corner imbued with soft light, timeless beauty, and natural aroma that celebrates the simple pleasures of country living. Bright sunlight illuminates this authentic French country kitchen, highlighting lush floral tile accents around neutral woodwork. Weathered surfaces and vintage baskets create a lived-in vibe, while the warm tones and natural stone elements invite relaxation, easy conversation, and a touch of countryside magic. This French country kitchen proves that floral tiles and warm neutrals create magic together. The L-shaped layout maximizes space, while rustic accents and vintage details bring authentic countryside charm. If you loved exploring this cozy design, hit that like button, subscribe to Kitchenesia for more inspiring kitchens, and share your thoughts in the comments below.